I'm a technical sales engineer at Phasics, that is located in Paris. So we manufacture wavefront sensors to characterize optical systems and lasers and mirrors, for example.
Okay.
So here, as you can see, we have, so this is a bench, a dynamic interferometry setup. So basically, we generate a light that goes through the telescope. It bounces back from this mirror, and it goes back to the detection system. And from that, we can characterize the optical quality of this telescope.
So you would be able to detect things like collimation errors or
exactly.
Pinched optics or stuff like that.
Yeah, so basically the optical aberrations that is characterized by the Wernicke coefficients. We're able to measure the different Wernicke coefficients associated with this optical system. Either defocus or collimation error, or a spherical aberration, or coma, or astigmatism, for example. So we can look at all these kind of things.
So would telescope manufacturers, you can see you have a small celestron on here.
Yeah.
Would they send the telescope to you guys for verification or to get a report, or would they buy the equipment and then verify it themselves?
Well, in general, they buy a whole system to validate their alignment or optical quality. So it's more for a production, I would say, production line.
Okay, wow. And how big systems can you, because we have a relatively small one here for the Expo, but I assume you have systems like, are there any limitations in how big telescopes you're going to be able to measure?
Well, I would say theoretically, you don't really have a size limit of the telescope that you can measure, as long as you have light that going back to the detection line.
Okay, so this one is both the camera and the light source?
Yes, exactly. So
it sends light in and then bounces off a mirror?
Yeah.
Okay, and then back, and then you can measure it?
Yes. So that's the flow of the measurements, I would say.
So on the screen here, that's live right now from the telescope? Yeah. And what are we seeing here? I can see there's some dark areas along the edges.
Okay, so this is our software. So you can, from this side, you can see the camera image. So this is what the camera actually sees.
Yeah.
And after the data analysis, we retrieve the phase map. So basically, of the light that goes back to the wavefront sensor, and from here you can see the different optical aberrations that are characterized by the Wernicke coefficient. So defocus, coma, astigmatism, etc.
Okay. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Okay, so what you're saying is, what you could use this for, instead of putting a camera at the end, you would put a laser or?